Find out more. Join boarding group. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 50! 50! We got 50! We got 50! We got 50! Oh! What's up, you guys? Good morning. It is like 7:15. We are at the Disneyland Resort to get a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass. And it's my first time actually trying to get a boarding pass.
Me too.
So we will see how this turns out. I'm pretty nervous that it's a Saturday. The crowds are already very heavy. The parking just to get into Mickey and Friends was literally backed up to the 5. So that's a good sign. Everyone is like running to the turnstiles, but we're here.
We out here.
And we'll let you know how our experience goes. Hopefully.
We'll film the getting of the passes because we need our, well, Patrick has
maybe.
a camera.
I might one-hand it.
Not worth the risk.
We'll see. Look at these lines. Another one just opened, so everyone's like running into this one now. But like, hello? So we currently picked the furthest left line we could possibly find, and it's backed up all the way almost to like La Brea Bakery. Good times. It is currently 7:24, so we have 36 minutes. I think we'll be fine. We'll get in, we'll connect our passes, and then we wait. It's like a little past 7:30. We actually made it through the line in like less than 10 minutes, so they're going pretty quick. But Sarah got blocked. She's allowed in. I don't know, her pass just like is messed up, so now we gotta wait for someone to let her in. But Sarah! These are fun. They have a little Rise of the Resistance Disneyland map, and then like when you walk in, it also tells you how to join a boarding group. Bam. In case you don't know how to join a boarding group, here it is. Very informational. Yay! Well, that was nerve-wracking. Alright, now the sinking tickets and waiting game. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen Disneyland this crowded, this early since like 24-hour days, or like the Disneyland 60th, which was a 24-hour day. Yes. It's wild. Tickets are linked. We have staked out our spot at the top of the train station. I honestly don't know if there's a good spot. My usual best reception is by Small World, but can't get over there. So now, I think, what we got, 20 minutes? 20 minutes. And I don't know, I don't know. There's so many options. We're trying to figure out if we should open the app and then click the boarding group, or have the app open and then click, I don't know. I think we're gonna do different. I think I might not have the app open at all and click the app at 8. And Sarah might have the app open and click the boarding group at 8. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I should be out of the app and click this at 8 and then this, or be here at 8 and click this, or just be on this page at 8 and like somehow hope that opens. The 15-minute morning announcement just came on. Oh my god. 15 minutes. What are you doing?
Playing Sudoku.
Calming your nerves?
Yeah.
Alright, it's 7:55. I opened an exact time so we know the seconds. We got 5 minutes.
Do you want me to close and reopen the app?
I'll close and reopen the app.
I'm already in the app, and I'm worried it's not going to like show up.
So you stay in the app on that
You
page.
stay on the
Here's what
boarding
I'm gonna do.
page.
You do that, and then
Okay.
what I'm gonna do, I'll have it open,
but
I'm going to like go to this page and go back.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have it closed.
You're gonna hit find out more.
You're gonna have it closed. And completely reopen.
Yes.
Hard closing.
Yes. We are making this
Dan,
a
stop.
thing.
Why? He's just going and talking to people.
We're making this a full thing. We'll let you know which tip worked the best. Oh my god.
We're at 30 seconds.
No.
30 seconds.
Alright, 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna exit out of this, and I'm gonna hard open it at 8.
Here we go. Here we go.
8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
It didn't work for me. It
8
didn't
o'clock,
work.
8 o'clock.
It didn't work. It didn't
I'm
work.
in. Find out more. Join boarding group.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh my
do
god,
it.
oh my god, oh my god. 50! 50! We got 50! We got 50! We got 50! Oh my god, the cheers! Woo! Yeah! Oh my god, look at everybody cheering! Oh my god, everyone's so excited! All right, so there it is. We did 3 different ways. The best option is to not be in the app at all. Open the app at 8, don't already be in it, then click join boarding group. Right at 8, she was already in the app and it didn't refresh
we did it
for
3
her.
different ways, yeah, and Dan had to go back.
Yeah, so just don't be in the app at all. Hard open the app at 8 and then join boarding group.
Like literally even just now, it's still like I had to hard close and reopen it to see that I even am in a boarding group because it like wasn't going for me.
So, pro tip, don't be in the app. Fun times were had at Disneyland. It is very crowded over there, so we are running over to DCA. I'm gonna guess boarding group 50 is around like 1-ish?
What?
1-ish?
Oh. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Depends on a lot of factors.
Yeah, it could go down. Who knows?
It won't. It won't.
It won't go down.
It won't.
Yeah, I don't know. 1, 2, I'm guessing. We'll see. But we have time. We've decided to rope drop Toy Story Midway Mania. I feel like I'm in Tokyo Disney Sea because that's what everyone runs to.
Trolley Park!
Yeah, here we are.
Oh my god, strange things.
No. Copyright. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, it is like super foggy this morning. Hopefully the sun comes out and it burns it all out, but like, it's foggy. I honestly think about it and I don't remember the last time I've actually rode Toy Story Midway Mania because it's always such a long wait, but when you rope drop it, why not? Alright, it's Sarah and I. Are we gonna be good?
We're gonna be good.
We're gonna be very good. We're gonna get, what's the highest animal?
I don't know.
I usually just get the beaver.
Cat? No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine. What happened? How'd we do? Oh.
What? That's not me.
Midway Mania, great success. Good job, babe. Thanks. Did all the things. Now we're gonna go to Flo's for some breakfast. I don't remember the last time I was here this early for breakfast.
Me neither. I never came here this early.
Like what? I have like bacon. Breakfast. What'd you get?
French toast.
That's a big like chunk of French toast. Is that caramel?
Yeah.
And bananas?
Salted caramel.
Mmm. Dan got American breakfast. I got a kid's American breakfast. I guess I got fruit and you got a biscuit, but I got OJ as well. This isn't bad. Like with the AP discounts, like just like barely $6.
Why don't grown-ups get fruit?
I
want a strawberry.
You don't deserve it. You got a biscuit. You get all the gluten. I also got a kid's breakfast because before I came here, I got a sausage biscuit that I didn't eat. So I'm set. Done with breakfast. Breakfast was delicious. They finally started boarding Rise of the Resistance. They haven't been boarding for like the first hour. They boarded, I guess they started boarding around 9 a.m., but they're already up to group 19. So we only got, what, math?
30 more groups.
30 more. 31 more groups. So now, still gotta wait. We're gonna go to Animation Academy, because why not? Also, here's just a little fun construction look at Avengers Campus. You can see they added like red to Spider-Man, and there's like this weird crane thing that everyone's debating if it's part of Avengers Campus or not. I don't think it is. I think it's literally a working crane that they themed just for like look-wise. I don't know. We'll find out more soon. We're in the Animation Academy, and I just checked the boarding group status again, and it went up to 24. So we're getting closer, almost halfway there. We decided to now come over and see Black Panther because he has like very early set times, and I'm never here this early, so. Hi, T'Challa. We met T'Challa. He was very intimidating. I didn't want to film him. But we had a good time. Good chat. Talked about Wakanda. Talked about our adventures today. I literally haven't like seen Black Panther since he like debuted, so that was a treat. They also had like bumping music over there. I was into it. Just did a little bit of Philhar magic because it's been a while. But now it is 10:30 and they're up to boarding group number 31. So I think it's moving pretty fast. I think hopefully my estimate around 1-ish.
I think it'll be sooner than that.
Yeah, maybe even like 12:30 even. Who knows? But now we're gonna go get a Mickey bun from the Lunar New Year because Sarah wants a Mickey bun.
I want that.
Chinese Mickey hot dog bun.
It's so good.
Yeah?
It's not pretzel.
It's not, it looks like a pretzel.
I know, but it's not.
I didn't have this.
It's like a brioche.
Oh. I didn't have this when we did our Lunar New Year food video.
Have you never tried it?
No.
You should try it.
I will. And then I didn't have this either, the grapefruit gin spritzer, and this is bomb as well. Super grapefruity. Super grapefruity, but bomb.
Have you never had this? It's so good. Wait, that's not pretzel.
It's not pretzel. Whoa, weird.
It's good. You get a wine down?
Good bomb though. Okay, update. We are back over at Disneyland. It is 11 a.m. and they are on boarding group number 36. Sarah stopped at the restroom, but then we were gonna run over to Star Tours and ride the new planets for Rise of Skywalker. So that should be fun. Hopefully we get to our boarding pass soon. All right, we did the new Star Tours planets from Rise of Skywalker. Fun times. I really like the Lando transmission, but I'm just waiting for the Mandalorian version of Star Tours now, where we get a Baby Yoda transmission. Please make that happen. Okay, other update. It is now 12 noon, and they are on boarding group number 39. It hasn't moved up a lot because I am told the ride went down and they had to evac it. So boarding groups have slowed down now. I thought my 1 o'clock prediction would have come true, but maybe it'll be a little later, maybe like 2-ish, if they can get it back up. All right, another update. We are in line for Pinocchio, but it is now 1 p.m. and the boarding groups have finally moved up to 40. So Rise is back in operation. So hopefully another hour or so for 50. If it stays operational, we'll see. So in a wild turn of events, we literally rode Pinocchio and then came out and they were on boarding group number 49. Literally in 10 minutes, they jumped from 40 to 49. So we're now walking to Batu, and it's about to get lit. In Batu, in front of Bronto Roasters, just like it was stuck on boarding group 39 for like an hour, it's now stuck on like 49. So I don't know, but we're here. Vi's behind us, she's hiding.
What do you mean she's not?
She doesn't trust me. I told her I had her back, but I don't know.
Oh my god, it's Chewie!
Oh my god! They're plotting. It is almost 2 o'clock now, and it's still on 49. It's been on 49 since like 1:10. So, what's happening? Completing pre-flight checks. It's so close. Come on, little droid. It's like Coachella when you're like watching the little guy run all the way to the end of the bar. 2 o'clock, still on boarding group 49. So Sarah's gonna get a Todaria swirl green milk with chili goodness. And here we go. There it is. Blue milk, green milk, or green milk with the Todaria swirl. I wonder why you can't get it with blue milk. It's probably not good. Looks very red.
It's got chili lime all inside and a lot of tahini on top.
So much tahini.
I don't see any chunks. I saw them.
It's on the bottom.
No.
That's what I was told.
I think it's just in there.
We'll find out.
I see the little cup at the thing that has mango chunks.
Pro tip, you should probably stir it up because
There's a lot of tahini on top.
Sarah just got a mouthful of tahini.
You got your teeth.
Now it's the real swirl. It's pretty bomb. It's definitely better than normal green milk because I wouldn't order normal green milk, but I would order that. It's good. Oh my god, the Sprite droid. I love you. Yeah. All right, you guys, it's time. It is 2:20. Group 50 has now been called. Rise to Resistance. We're here for you. We're gonna escape everywhere. God, I just saw all this. This is cool. Look at my little passcode. In the queue, it is 2:23. So now I'm curious how long the actual line is from like when you get your boarding group code. We're waiting in this tunnel right now. The line has stopped. So it's 2:23. I will see how long it takes for us to get to the first portion of Rise of Resistance. All right, we made it to the first portion and we waited 22 minutes exactly. 22. So like Not bad at all. So I'm not gonna film a lot of the ride because I've already filmed it. But fun fact, when you get out of the first pre-show room, make sure to look over on this side because Poe's ship is over there with BB-8. But you're gonna load into this ship right here. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Honestly, the coolest part of the ride.
Okay, I'm going. I'm going. I'm Claire Tyler. I'm going.
You will refer to me as sir or lieutenant.
Y'all got bathrooms on this ship? Bye, y'all. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh my God, you hit him! You're definitely dying. I mean, if there's anything good about being captured by the First Order, it's the lighting. Look at that lighting. Hashtag detainment life.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
What's happening?
I'm gonna bring you up.
Woo! Yeah! Hi, R5! Keep us safe! Alright, we did it! We completed Rise of the Resistance! Honestly, I think I enjoyed it a lot more than I did the first time I rode it. I had...
Not ready.
I don't know, I like...
I love it.
Didn't know what to really expect the first time I rode it, and then I rode it and I liked some portions. I didn't like other portions, but now I know what I was getting into. So I enjoyed it more after I knew what I was getting into. I still have some wants, but overall it's great. Thanks for joining us on our boarding group Rise of the Resistance adventures. Hopefully our tips help you. Hopefully you get a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass. Let us know what your tips are if you have any other ones, but now that's all we came for, so that's it. We're done. We're tired. We were here so early. But thank you guys for watching. Huge thanks to Chloe for supporting me on Patreon this month. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification when I upload next, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!